So we're here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new shutoff valve for the tenant here. Had an old supply line here, so it's a 5/8 OD. They've got a new supply line, stainless steel, 4-footer, brand new stove is going to be going in. That's going to be by someone else. But what they had in here is an old spin-through gas valve that the company came out and said they would not work on it. They were afraid just by turning it on or off that it would begin to leak, and I agree, it's good to shut that off. And there's an extension also that came up a little bit higher. So what we've done is we've just taken everything apart, back down to the existing piping coming to the floor. Got a full 3/4 inch iron pipe by 5/8 OD shutoff valve right there. Homeowner said not to hook it back up to this stove because they're going to come out today and get it installed. We don't like leaving them this way because it's open, so just be careful around this. It's a ball valve sitting in there. You can see it's stainless steel ball, and it's just quarter turn on, quarter turn off. So I'm going to put this over here. That way it debris stays out of there, and then hopefully you can get someone out here to hook this up today. If not, let me know, because I'd rather see this connected to something in the event that the gasket turns on inadvertently. Outside of that, this installation is done. So we're still in Clovis, California, and the second portion of this video, we'll combine them in a minute here, but second portion of this video is showing the old valve. These are spin-through valves, so actually part of the shutoff goes through the valve, and typically whenever you try and use these, turn them on, turn them off, they begin to leak straight through. Either one side or the other begins to leak. It's old corroded pipe. The installer said they didn't need this extension in the first place. They got a 4-foot corrugated stainless steel supply that's going in for the gas, so they wanted a new shutoff valve. First part of this video shows the valve installed with instructions, you know, just to keep everybody away from there, especially children. And then this is the old valve that we took out. So it's a good thing that does not have to be in there, and these do leak. So it's a good thing it's uninstalled. Outside of that, we are done.